Rightly called Mr. Sunshine, Harish Hande, unable to ignore the poorest of the poor who live in abject darkness, decided to put his masters in solar energy to good use. This 44-year-old man today lights up the lives at the bottom of the pyramid. He was born in Bangalore but grew up in Orissa, where his father worked with the Steel Authority of India for 40 long years. This engineer graduated from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, but never attached much importance to having studied in an IIT. He earned his doctorate in energy engineering at the University of Massachusetts, specializing in solar energy. His world changed after a study trip to Dominican Republic in 1991, where solar energy was being used in the houses of the poor. He wanted to research on large solar projects, but that experience made him change his mind. Another incident had left a lasting impression on him. He was touring some villages in southern Karnataka when an old lady, probably in her 70s, touched his feet and said that she wanted to see electricity in her house before she died. Remarkably, she also emphasized that she would pay for it. Harish obviously didn't know how to react then, but that planted an idea in his mind. In 1993, upon returning to India and doing fieldwork in Karnataka and Sri Lanka, Hande realized that affordability could be defined in many ways beyond Excel sheets, and thus he registered Selco in 1995. The company's core business is the sale of energy systems that provide electricity for lighting, water pumping, clean cooking, communications, computing, entertainment, and small business appliances. Over the past 17 years, his company has installed solar lights in more than 1 lakh homes across Karnataka, Kerala, and Gujarat. About 57% of India's population does not have electricity, and for many more, the supply is unreliable. Selco's approach to the lack of working electricity through much of rural India relies on 3 principles. The poor can afford sustainable technologies, the poor can maintain sustainable technologies, and it is commercially viable to operate a venture serving the needs of the poor. Selco India targets rural families that earn rupees 2,000 to 3,000 a month and spend rupees 100 to 150 on kerosene and candles for lighting their homes, and an additional rupees 40 to charge their mobile phones. Hande feels that despite the fact that there are 40,000 banks in India, people don't take advantage of them. He wanted to create good after sales and access to third-party financing to make solar power affordable. Since 1995, Selco has 28 energy service centers, a skill force of over 170 employees, 1,15,000 plus solar home lighting systems, the largest solar water heating system, and it has supported various passionate solar entrepreneurs. Harish Hande has made his mark globally and received numerous awards recognizing his selfless efforts. One of them being the Raymond Magsaysay Award, which is considered to be Asia's Nobel Prize. However, back in 1994-95, when he made a presentation in IIT Delhi and IISc, they told him, "Don't come from America and teach us what to do. This business model of yours will not work." On the contrary, after 17 years, it has become a business model that's now taught in Yale and the Sloan School of Management. Today, Harish Hande's lesson for the corporate world is equity. According to him, processes are important, but there are also individuals who are working. So don't equate people with commodities.